Hello everyone, welcome back to another Messy Jessie video, and today we are making earrings. I thought it might be fun to make some pumpkin earrings because we are nearing the month of September. Isn't that like every... Okay, so these are the supplies you need. Well, I use 2 round nose pliers to make the earrings nice and round on the end. And for my materials, I'm using 8 onyx beads, 4 orange beads, 2 pumpkins, I believe they are bone pumpkins, and clippers. So let's jump into it. So we're going, and one more thing, earring stalks. So we're going to grab 2 of these, and we are going to get our first ones. So we're going to add the onyx beads on. If I can find the hole. There. And I'm going to get the orange bead, add it on. And we're going to get the, we need to add one more onyx bead for my pattern. Then I'm going to add the pumpkin. And then same pattern. There, we're done with our pattern. And you guys, yeah. And now we're going to grab our sturdiest round nose pliers. Again, when you do this, the shorter it is, the shorter the earring is, and if the earring's already really long, you probably want it to be very short. Yeah. Keep it sturdy. I'm going to wrap it around. Yeah, this one's very, very, very short. And the longer the earring is, I'm not gonna lie, it's harder to wrap it around. And then, there. So there's that. I sometimes like to use these to make the hole very nice and flat. So there's one earring for you, and then I'll make the other one. Okay. Okay, there you have it, your 2 earrings, and now we just need to put on the hooks. I'm going to open that hook up. Then going to slide my earring on and close that back up. Same for the other one. Open that hook up, slide the earring on, and close it back up. Okay guys, that's all for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hold on. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hopefully it was helpful. Leave a like if it was helpful. Hopefully it was. Leave a comment below on some ideas or something that you think I could use to make this video better. And see you guys in the next video.